This is one of these gaming chairs. You gotta take the bracket off. Looks like he rocked too hard with it. Any way to reinforce the other side so that doesn't happen?
Well, you just put a couple more welds. All they did was two, 1 and 2.
And
that's it, 1 and 2.
And that's the plate.
And then this little guy goes here. Just like that.
So I guess start with that one, maybe.
Or this way. Sorry, this way.
That's a pretty chintzy weld, isn't it? Just one little spot they welded it.
Well, they just welded over dirty metal, that's why.
Oh.
That's why I did that. Yeah, it goes that way. And now I gotta clean the bottom of this.
Yeah.
And clean that off.
Uh-huh.
And then re-weld it. Let's just attack it to hold it for me.
See, that bar is right here, and it's just another support. Done?
No, that's just to hold it.
Oh.
That's just so I can see it needs to be bent a little bit there. A little bend up. But even that weld was probably better than what was there.
Yeah.
I'm not even joking you, because at least that was penetrated.
Yeah. How's it looking? Putting a leather jacket around everything here so it doesn't burn the material. Yeah?
Because I want it to sit in that exact spot, otherwise if it moves, then it's not going to line up.
Oh yeah, to the bolts. Yeah.
To the bolts. So at first I was going to grind them off, and then I thought, oh, maybe not. Because they fit in the grooves of the old welds.
Uh-huh.
And so I'll go on the... I'll make some new welds, but at least it's holding in the same spot.
Nope.
Negative.
Yeah, those have to line up to the holes there.
Right, so now I know it will, because this fits here. So now I'll just put some new welds. Well, you ain't gonna break that off.
What's that?
You ain't gonna break that off. So weld it at the top, slide, the middle here, and then at the bottom. And I'll try and put one just right there.
Yeah. Just putting the screws in to do the last weld?
Yeah, then I can weld it where it needs to be. Because it's supposed to basically holds it from going back like this.
Okay.
Takes the pressure off this one and puts it onto that one. That's basically all that's for.
There's the side that was broken. Welded it. along with the inside piece too, and he reinforced the other side as well. Okay, see if it tilts back.
Is this it?
Probably. Try your other lever there. What do you got to do?
Oh yeah, you gotta, yeah. Just like mine.
We haven't been using the gas. We just got the flux spool on there right now. The gas isn't even hooked up.
Well, it does everything in the shop, so I've been looking for an excuse to buy a new one, but it just hasn't really given me one yet.
How old is it?
Oh, I've had this thing for like 6-7 years.
Oh, so it's made its money.
Oh, it's made its money.
And how much is this?
I've done trailer after trailer after trailer with this thing.
Yeah.
How much was this?
Yeah.
It was like $300, $350 when I...
Nice. And that's what he did with his MIG welder. Cracked axle, and it goes up here and then around the other side, halfway around. It hasn't started splitting apart yet though, from the weight.